Have you ever wondered how to make money using Google? And when I say money, I mean it, a lot of it. You will have the opportunity to earn $500 today simply by copying and pasting text. Isn't that intriguing? The best part is that all of the sites I'm going to show you today are completely legitimate and free, and this method works anywhere on the planet. However, one thing I expect of you is that you watch the entire approach so you don't get lost in the process. Pay attention and you'll get $500 in your bank account right away. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into another tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. So today, as I've said, we're going to use Google.com to make some serious cash online simply by copying and pasting text. And the first thing you should do is go to news.google.com. This is Google News, and it should look like this. All of these categories can be found on the left-hand side of this page. Business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health are all covered. For the time being, I'd like you to select the health category because it is one of the most popular of them all. After that, I want you to locate a nice intriguing article that you believe people would be interested in. This will really benefit you because it will result in a large audience. So take your time to find an article that interests you. To get paid, you'll need to copy one section of the article of your choice and go to the next site we'll be using today. Quillbot.com is the name of the website in question. This is a free program that will rewrite your text for you in a short amount of time. We're utilizing Quillbot because you can use an original article from Google News without paraphrasing it. This platform is essential for this technique. If you post a copied text from the previous article here on Quillbot, it will become completely unique and you will be able to utilize it. This is exactly the strategy we'll take today. I'd like to point out that if you use this paraphrasing service for free, you'll only be able to paraphrase 700 characters. It's not a major deal though, because 700 characters isn't exactly short. In fact, your paraphrasing is more than sufficient because having a short amount of text allows you to review your text effectively. Anyway, this program will rewrite the text in seconds if you click on Paraphrase right here. Now you must repeat the procedure of copying all text from the article and pasting it into Quillbot so they can all be paraphrased. Now just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'd give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Now, I want you to comment down below and type in the initial code, copy and paste, as a free registration for our $50 gift card giveaways. Remember to watch until the end for you to know the simple instructions on how to fully register and win that exciting gift card giveaways. To take a step back, once you've copied and pasted all of the text from the Google News article, you want to go to one of the two best sites that will pay you right now for those articles. Eatingwell.com. This is the name of the first platform. This is a web page about eating healthy foods, as the name implies. That being said, you'll only want to give them articles about food that you located on Google News in the health area. In addition, because news stories appear on Google News every few hours, you will never run out of content and will be able to keep publishing articles that require no additional effort. This is why this strategy is so effective and it has the potential to make you a lot of money. Because eatingwell.com, as well as the other site I'll show you today, will pay you $1 for every word of the article you submit. Isn't $1 per word phenomenal? Anyway, let's keep going with eatingwell.com. You will need to send the articles to this site via email. To do so, just go down to the bottom of the website and click here where it says Jobs. You have to scroll down a little more on the following page and click here where it reads Writer's Guidelines. Not only can you discover their email address on this page, but you can also see that, as previously stated, they will pay you $1 per word. So, once again, you can have the potential to make hundreds of dollars per article you publish, which may rapidly add up to a substantial sum. I need you to copy their email address after you've found it, which is right here, and then go to your Gmail account. You'll send them an email from there. As a result, I'd like you to send them an email with the subject Submission or Submission Form. After that, you just upload a file containing your article and click Send, ensuring that you are paid as soon as your piece is approved. Now it's time to move on to the second platform of the day. The website's name is daily.jstore.org. Unlike eatingwell.com, this site has the advantage of accepting content from Google News in particularly all niches. However, keep in mind that this platform will pay less than the previous one, but because there are so many options for you to produce articles in a variety of niches, I strongly recommend you to use this. I advise using eatingwell.com in tandem with this one to get the best results. To summarize this entire making money tutorial, go to Google News and choose a few articles on health niche. Paraphrase your article using quillbot.com and revise them afterwards. Then send your pitches to the two sites mentioned, eatingwell.com and dailyjstore.org, by email. Simply by doing so, you will earn hundreds, if not thousands of money. This approach works for both beginners and experienced players, so get started on this strategy right away. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now let's proceed with the final instructions on how to be lucky and win the 10 free $50 gift card giveaways. You just need to make sure you're subscribed and are actively leaving a like. You also need to comment down below the unique code that I've given in the middle of every video so I can give rewards to those who I monitored that are always active in each tutorial. The more videos you comment on, the better chance you have at winning as we reach the 5,000 subs celebration. And that's it! Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.